Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Tech. If you new here, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. To use Chroma key using Kinemaster, you just need to go to Kinemaster app, select new project, select the screen size 16:9. Now go to media, choose background. Now select any of this background as you like. Now I will select this one, click on OK. Now go to starting point. Now select layer, go to media. Now choose any green screen image or video. Now click here. Now go to Chroma key, just enable it. Now you can adjust from here. You can just adjust here. Now click OK. Now choose your background and match the size of your video and background. Now click on OK. Now go to starting point. Now just play it. Now you can see your green screen is removed. Now you simply go back, select your project, click on share, just simply click on export, and you can save your video to your gallery. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.